Bienvenidos! Welcome to Lingo Mag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we're going to learn about the numbers, los números. And we're going to focus on the numbers from 20 to 100, del 20 al 100, del 20 al 100. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Empecemos. So, let's get started. This one, 20, is 20. 20. From here on, it gets actually pretty easy because it's very repetitive. So to say 21, we say 21. 21. So basically, we keep repeating the first part of the word, 20, and then we'll just add whichever number corresponds to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Next one, 30. This one is 30. 30. And in a very similar way, here it will also get repetitive. 31. 31. Y means and it will be the same for all the rest of the numbers. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Next one, 40, is 40. 40. And here we will follow exactly the same rule. So I'm not going to repeat all of them slowly, but it's exactly the same. So 41, 42, 43, and so on and so forth. Next one is 50. 50. 50. And again, it's the same. 51, 52, 53, and so on. Next one. 60 is 60. 60. Next one is 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. 100. So except for this last one, all the others are formed in exactly the same way. So you just keep repeating the first part, y, and the number. Now, let's quickly repeat all of them. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, can you read these numbers? So I'm going to show you a number. I'll give you a second to think about how to say it, and then I'll show you and pronounce the answer. This one. 93. 93. Did you get it right? Leave a comment below. Let's do another one. 42. 42. 55. 55. Next. 84. 84. 79. 79. 21. 21. 68. 68. 36. 36. If you'd like to get some free online practice, please head over to my website, lingomag.com, where you'll be able to download a PDF document completely for free, and you can use it to continue practicing this topic. The exact link to the exercise will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video today, and if you liked it, please like it and remember to subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!